If you're worried about AI and coding in 2026, I'm not here to make predictions. I'm here to help you think clearly, because panic makes people quit. And quitting is usually the real mistake. This is the last video I'm recording this year, and I wanted it to feel real. Not optimized, not polished, just honest. A few days ago, this arrived in the mail. And I'll be honest, it didn't arrive during an easy year. This year was rough in many, many different ways, in ways people don't always see online. So this doesn't feel like a finish line. It feels like a proof that trusting the process and, most importantly, believing in yourself still works, even when things feel uncertain. For context, especially if you're new here, I've been in this industry for over a decade. I still work as a developer, I still build things, and I still learn. And I still mess things up sometimes. So what I'm about to say doesn't come from theory. It comes from experience. I know a lot of you are ending this year feeling anxious. AI is everywhere. Everyone online has a strong opinion. Some people saying developers are done. Others say now is the best time to learn. And you're probably sitting there thinking, what if I'm wasting my time? What if I chose the wrong path? What if everything changes in 2026 and I'm left behind and jobless? Before I say anything about AI, I want to be clear about one thing. I don't talk about this stuff randomly. I've been wrong about the future before, and everyone who's been in tech long enough has. I spend a lot of time researching, listening, cross-checking opinions, and then filtering everything through my own experience. Because when you have an audience, especially people who are learning, you have a responsibility not to panic them. Every major shift feels like this. When the internet showed up, people panicked. When smartphones showed up, people panicked. Now it's AI. And every time, the same mistake happens. People confuse change with replacement. It's like learning to drive and suddenly cars get automatic transmission. You didn't become useless, the rules just shifted. I use AI almost every day. And the surprising part wasn't that it made things faster. It was that it made thinking more important. AI can generate code, and that's a fact, and it's here to stay. But it can't decide why something should exist or not. It doesn't understand trade-offs, it doesn't feel consequences, and it doesn't take responsibility. The scary part isn't that AI writes code. The scary part is that people stop thinking because of it. So when I say this, I mean it. If you're willing to adapt, genuinely adapt, there's nothing to fear in 2026. And if you're watching this video, you're already adapting. It won't be easy, but it never was anyway. So if you're learning right now, early in the morning or late at night, watching this quietly, wondering if you should quit, you're not behind. You're just learning during a strange moment in history. If I were starting today, I wouldn't race. I would focus on understanding, building small things, staying curious. That's what survives change. And honestly, I'm really excited about 2026. I have a lot of things planned for this channel. Some of them I've been working on quietly for a long time. Real things that will help you learn properly, build confidence, and navigate this new era without burning out. So, if you're feeling unsure right now, stay. There's a lot coming. I wanted to say this before the year ends because a lot of people don't need more information right now. They need perspective. I'm proud of how far this channel has come, and I'm genuinely proud of you still trying. And I'm genuinely thankful for this. This only exists because of you. So if you want, tell me in the comments below how this year felt for you. I read everything. Alright, my legends, I wish you a happy new year, and may 2026 be the best year for you and your family. Thanks for watching. I'm Pete, and I'll see you in 2026.